Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Trello tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to print a Trello board. This is actually quite simple. First I open Trello and go to the board which I want to print out. Here I click on the three dots at the top right corner, go to Print, Export and Share and click on Print. Here I can now select a printer from the list or save it as a PDF. I can also select whether the board should be printed in portrait or landscape mode. If we go to more settings, I can set a few other things here, like the margins for example, or I can specify that the background is also printed. This always makes the whole thing look a little more vivid. What you may have noticed is that the lists are all below each other and not next to each other. This is a problem that you can currently not change when printing in Trello. Trello has a corresponding function on the to-do list, but it is currently not prioritized. So this is the only way to print out a Trello board. When I'm done, I press on Save here, or Print if I have selected a printer. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!